what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be venturing down into something I truly love, and that is some ramen. Yes, I love me a good ramen. I haven't ate it in quite some time from a restaurant. Here locally, we don't have too many options when it comes to Asian restaurants, and the ones that do, they don't sell ramen. You know, I don't know why they don't sell a good ramen bowl here, but you know, I'm a big fan of ramen, Japanese, authentic style ramen, you know, but today I'm gonna do a little twist on it. I'm gonna be making a spicy shrimp ramen stir fry. So instead of being a soup, I'll be making a little stir fry. So let's get down into the ingredients. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing with it. The ingredients that I'm gonna be putting in the ramen is some jumbo shrimp. I'm gonna put some carrot, onion, celery, 1 Japanese chili, some garlic clove, and some ginger root. We're also going to be seasoning this with some soy sauce, and then also something that I truly love is some chili paste. This stuff is really good, has a really good garlic flavor to it, so definitely putting that in there. And I just want to get like a small cut on my vegetables. You can actually cut them in little bits if you'd like. Take out the core of the onion. Now for the carrots, I make those into like little strips. Kind of thin little strips. Just like that. Just like about that. It's about what you want right there. Alright, so our garlic, you just want to dice that up. Same thing with our ginger. Just want to go ahead and give that a nice chopping. Want to mince it up a little bit. You want little bits in there. I really love the flavor of fresh ginger. It's really good. Okay. What you can do if you don't want it too spicy, you could leave this whole, and then when you're done cooking, you can remove this. That way it still gives you some spice, and it won't be overwhelming. But I'm gonna be making this thing spicy, so we're putting this in there, seeds and all. Alright, so that's it for chopping. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so I'm going to be using my wok today. Now I got it on high heat. Got a little bit of canola oil here. I'll let that heat up. Now this is fairly quick. Once you get the veggies and stuff cooked, everything's easy after that. I got another pot over here boiling some water so I can cook the noodles. That takes about 2 minutes. So once your wok's heated up, go ahead and throw in everything. Get that nice sizzle. fairly quick. Add in our soy sauce. Add in a little bit of our chili paste here. I go ahead and a little bit of lime juice. Since these veggies are pretty much chopped thinly, they cook really fast. So go ahead and add your shrimp. So this is literally like within a couple of minutes. Oh, the smells are really wonderful right now. Right when the shrimp are cooked, that's when we'll be adding our ramen in there. Yeah, once your shrimp start curling up like that, that's when you know they're almost done, or they are done. You know, it basically tells you, since these are butterflied, gives that nice little butterfly effect right there when they shrink up. All right, time for some ramen. Just want to incorporate everything. There you have it. Go ahead and turn off all the heat. Now we're going to serve it up. All right, so we got the ramen all served up. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of green onion on top. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is a really good recipe. You definitely need to try it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or gotta say something about the recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Thank you. Y'all take care and be beautiful.